The Oahu cases, Mayor Caldwell says there are at least 2 more linked to Honolulu Hale. State officials say an employee potluck gathering at City Hall may have been the source of transmission, but that's not what the mayor is saying. Max Rodriguez reports.
Mayor Caldwell says they have been investigating details surrounding this retirement party from back in July and says there are no known positive cases from those who attended. A retirement party outside Honolulu Hale, attended by about 25 to 30 city and county workers, is the largest gathering the mayor knows about. But he says it does not seem to be what's driving a cluster of cases in the building.
I learned of this one party and then followed up and found out there was no positives from that party and that they were outside. So I think it was more anecdotal. But we're not denying that there are gatherings of people in lunchrooms and other places where they are not practicing physical distancing or mask wearing.
The mayor says those who attended the retirement potluck did not gather for long. Workers picked up food outside and kept on with their day. And late this afternoon, the state removed any reference to the potluck from its news release. The state still maintains that an employee potluck or gathering was a potential source of transmission. The mayor says he does know of employee gatherings inside conference rooms with no safety measures, which goes exactly against what the mayor has been asking from residents since the start of the pandemic.
Because of what we do know about these gatherings in lunchrooms and in other places, for me, it means we got to do everything possible, and perhaps spread did occur in these environments, and they need to stop. And hopefully they have.
Caldwell sent out a memo to all city and county employees taking issue with gatherings, reminding them they are not allowed. So far, 11 COVID-19 positive cases are known within Honolulu Hale. Nearly 500 workers were tested on Monday. Caldwell says he expects more positives.
We're waiting to get all the results, and when we do get them, we'll report them to you. We do know that we have 1 or 2 positives from the test so far.
Dr. Scott Miskovich, who was tapped to carry out testing at City Hall, says this is not an isolated issue. Other facilities are also being affected by the spread of the virus.
I'm sitting here outside the Board of Water Supply, which is doing testing because they've had positives. We're heading to other places like nursing homes. Everyone has positives because the disease is so widespread, community spread.
Max Rodriguez, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.